Hey guys, Silverbacked here, coming back to you with another video. If you are new here, what I'm basically doing is doing Heikin-Ashi trading with spot trading, not leverage. I mean, the information is the same, but the time frame, like I've been using this for in a monthly time frame for and probably updating my view weekly. So probably say, let's say. I've been actioning my trades, looking at monthly charts, but trading it on a weekly based on what I see. But what I've done is I've actually been able to progressively work through that over more than 12 months, and I've written about it extensively under my pen name of Silverbacked on Medium. If you want to go see that, how I developed this trading thesis to a level of success with the weekly monthly charts, weekly trading, you can do that. So I've got that nailed, and that works beautifully. It works really well. What I'm doing with this and this series of videos on YouTube and Substack is basically experimental. So I'm experimenting in reducing the time frame. I started to reduce it right down to same trading method, same thesis, same everything, down to 1 day charts instead of weekly or monthly. That was too much trading going on. I've upped it to 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Now, on the 4 day, we just had. Now, I want to take into consideration, like I've mentioned XRP and moving to 4 days was pretty much modeled on how I would have preferred to trade the XRP trade, and I was very happy with how I got out of that at the right time. I got out on the 4th of August or something like that. Let me just pull up. Oh, I've got to be real quick with this, otherwise I'll run out of time. But I'll just be very quick. On the 4th of August, there was a big drop here. Remember? All right, yeah, on the 4th. Now I got out just before that, so I was very happy with the fact I got out before that. So I got out on the 31st of July. So I'm going to do this live. Okay, I'll do it live. 31st of July, right? I was very happy with myself that I got out before the drop. All right. So, but now I'm looking at Ethereum and what happened just in the last 24 hours. It dropped 11.37%, and it pissed me off. It did piss me off. And then I've pushed out the time frame to 5 days, and that green candle. Look, the green candle that got me back into it, sucked me back into it. When I go to 5 days, it disappears. Now, on 5 days, I know that I'm still within a bespoke time frame that you have to upgrade on TradingView to see. Like, not everyone can, just use the free TradingView and just see what a 5 day chart looks like. So, I've got a little bit of still in a bit of an advantage, and I knocked that out. But I want to see how it affects, how it would have affected the XRP trade, and I'll make a decision straight away whether I'm going to extend it to 5 days or leave it at 4. I've already gone from 1 day to 4 already, so let's see what would have happened. So we're on 5 days, so we would have been in there very similar, man. Like we would have got, our stop loss would have been the same. It would have been 54. So nice. So that wouldn't change. So all the good attributes I liked about how I traded, and also it would have got us out. And then with the Ethereum, okay, we would have been out. And apart from this, what is it? That's a 2 5 day period. So that's, apart from these 10 days, we would still be still holding it in the red. Whereas if you go to 4 days, there's a bloody green candle in the middle, and that got you in just before. Let me just change the normal candles. Yeah. That stupid green candle got us in just before a massive drop. So basically, someone pumped up the market after it dropped a lot. Well, not someone, but it pumped up. And then dropped 11. Well, actually, it was more than that. It's 11.3%. Just after I got a buy signal. Nah, don't like that. So I'm going directly to 5 day charts from here on out. So, and Heikin-Ashi. So I'm going to go through these quickly. 4 minutes in, I'll see if I can do it in under 10 minutes, and just tell you where I sit with everything. So basically, Ethereum is still a sell. Never should have been a buy. Pissed off about that. Anyway, Bitcoin Cash is definitely a sell, and I'm looking at the second last candle. Everything's exactly the same as what I usually do. Litecoin is a sell. Second last candle is red. We got out of that. Well, it would have fallen through our stop loss there. So it's still, all my stop losses I've marked up are all still valid. So I'm just leaving them where they are, unless I have a brand new one. That's a sell. Uni is a sell. Ton is a sell. We got out at $6.30. Okay, now looking at the buy column. Bitcoin is a buy. And then just put a stop loss just below it. So basically, Bitcoin's a buy. 57,807 would be the stop loss. Binance Coin is a buy. Same stop loss, 515. It doesn't change it that much. Sol is a buy, but I would make the stop loss a bit lower. 141.48 is the stop loss for there. EGLD is a buy. Again, I'll move the stop loss close. $26.78 is the stop loss on EGLD. AVAX is a buy. I would have the stop loss down here. That's looking pretty good. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is a sell. So let's get out of that. Link is a buy. $9.80. Sorry, $9.84. AXS is a buy. Happy with that stop loss. $4.53. Atom Cosmos. It's a sell. Yeah, let's piss it off. Let's get it out of there. Go away. Where was I? Near? Where was I near? That was funny. I was near my desk in front of my computer. Near is stop loss is at $4.05. That's looking really good. Really nice. Dot, that's a, whoa, it's just a buy. It is a buy. $4.20. I would leave that in. Filecoin. Yeah, pretty happy with where that stop loss is. It's $3.59 Filecoin. It's one we're sitting and we bought. Happy with that. Cake's looking good. $5 and what? Sorry, beg your pardon. Scratch that. $1.50. XRP, our favorite, still stuffing around sideways since 2018. I'm just joking. Relax. So XRP for the last since July, it's been going sideways, but we're in it. We're holding it. It hasn't gone down below our stop loss, which is at 54 cents, 54.4 cents. EOS holding strong there. Again, another sideways mover. I mean, yeah, it's EOS. Matic, that's a buy. Yeah, we've been holding it for 8 days now, and there's a stop loss of 40 cents. Phantom, how are we going for time? 8 minutes. All right. Phantom is that's a buy. I'd probably move my stop loss up to this level here, so we're sort of close by in the same sort of territory. Yeah, that's looking good. Hang on, I didn't say stop loss. Stop loss is 33 cents. ADA, that's a buy. Happy with that stop loss, 33.8 cents. TRX is a buy. It's performing well and not even showing any signs of slowing down. The reason I say that is because there's no wicks below these candles. If there was, I would be moving my stop up closer to capture the gains. TRX is looking very good. Dogecoin, that's a sell. Just get out of it. Get out of Doge. Get out of Doge. Oh, I'm coming up with them today. I'm honestly not planning it. FTM, ADA, TRX. Okay, BSW. Looking very, very good, actually. BSW has been a very good performer. It gave me a 120% return the other day. It's probably just recovering and settling back down from that. Yeah, looks like it. So BSW is good. Stop loss at 4.5 cents. VChain, it's a buy. Still 2.2 cents. Stop loss. BetFury, looking good. Stop loss at 2.12 cents. Floki, that is a buy. We bought 8 days ago. We're still holding that stop loss back there because there's no problems there at all with that. It's going up quite good. You don't need a close stop. SHIB, it was bought 4 days ago, but 401308 is the stop loss on that. And these are like the DEX tokens. So that's it. That's the wrap up. any of these other ones, you can just use the same principles as what I use with this. And I want to try and keep these videos shorter. Yeah, just for anyone that's watching, there's one or two places you can watch. You're either watching on YouTube, which is delayed by at least a day. For the most updated contents to these exact videos, Substack, there's a link down below. Just jump in there. There's a way you can actually subscribe for free. Just work it out. Everyone complains it's hard, but just work it out. There's a free way to subscribe. So you're on my email list, right? And yes, I'll market to you and say, upgrade. And if you upgrade, it's 22 cents a day, and you get my buy calls as well as my sell calls. Nothing major. And you can unsubscribe at any time. And there's a 7-day free trial. Although I would try it for 90 days. But thanks for listening. Keep it quick, keep them brief, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for listening.